Welcome to our Python tutorial videos. Today we'll explore on Python conditional statements, if, else, and Elif conditions. Here's the content for your Python conditional statements. If, else, and Elif conditions. Conditional statements in Python let you make decisions within your code. They allow you to execute specific blocks of code only when certain conditions are met. Python provides three main types of conditional statements: if, else, and elif, which we'll explore in detail in this video. The if statement is the most basic conditional statement. It checks a condition, and if the condition evaluates to true, it executes the indented block of code underneath it. For example, if x equals 10 and we check if x greater than 5, the message x is greater than 5 will be printed. The else statement complements the if statement by providing a block of code to execute when the if condition is false. In the example, if x equals 3 and we check if x greater than 5, the else block will run, printing x is not greater than 5. The elif statement stands for else if and is used to check multiple conditions. If the if condition is false, Python will evaluate the elif conditions in order. If none of the conditions are true, the else block will execute. You can nest if statements to create more complex logic. For example, if x equals 8, the outer if checks if x greater than 5. The inner if then checks if x less than 10. This structure is useful for handling multiple layers of conditions. You can combine multiple conditions using logical operators like and, or, and not. For instance, if you want to check if x is between 5 and 10, you can use if x greater than 5 and x less than 10. Logical operators help create more flexible and complex conditional logic. When writing conditional statements, keep your conditions simple and readable. If you're working with complex conditions, use parentheses for clarity. Additionally, avoid deeply nested conditions, as they can make your code harder to read and debug. In conclusion, conditional statements are vital for controlling the flow of your code. Python's if, else, and elif statements give you the flexibility to handle a wide range of scenarios. Combining conditions with logical operators makes your programs even more dynamic and powerful. For more videos, please visit the channel and go to respective playlist. And please subscribe the channel for more content, and to encourage us, please like the video.